Welcome back. I've recently incorporated the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 6% Mandelic acid plus 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant into my skincare routine, and it has been a game changer. Regular use has made my skin noticeably softer, smoother, and brighter. The product has even improved the appearance of my fine lines. Despite its potent formulation, it's gentle enough for daily use, effectively evening out my skin tone without irritation. Applying this exfoliant is easy. After cleansing, I use either clean fingertips or a cotton pad to spread an even layer over my face before following up with moisturizer and sunblock. It's become an integral part of my regimen, and I'm certain I'll repurchase it. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to achieve smoother, brighter skin and reduce fine lines. Features a complex of alpha hydroxy acids to resurface the skin and remove built-up layers of dead skin. Improves the skin's ability to renew and reduces discoloration. Includes yarrow extract and a fermented antioxidant blend of cherry blossom, chocolate vine, and bayberry to support the skin's microbiome and barrier. How to use. Apply once or twice daily after cleansing and toning. Use clean fingers or a cotton pad to apply an even layer over the entire face. Do not rinse. For daytime use, follow with SPF 30+. If you're new to chemical exfoliants, start slowly by applying every other day and noting your skin's response. You can then increase to twice daily. As someone with somewhat sensitive skin, I found this exfoliant gentle and non-drying. It didn't leave my skin feeling tight, which is a common issue with many exfoliants. After using it every couple of days for over a week, I've already noticed an improvement in my skin texture, especially on my cheeks. Overall, this is a 10/10 product. I would 1000% recommend it to anyone dealing with skin texture issues or post-acne redness because the results are truly impressive.